thought the class was really awesome. It covered the basics of epoxy and how to apply it, get used to the techniques to do the different designs and see how the product actually worked. It was a lot of fun. I think the biggest asset to class was Levi, the instructor. His experience and what he shared with us allowed us to grow and learn the medium. So he was the main thing I took from it, the advice and the expertise that he shared with us so that we could move forward in our own projects and such. The white marble, but it's kind of funny, the one I didn't do the best at, it was really a critical skill that took some talent. So it was really nice to look at what he had done and compare my results. So that was a great learning experience.
You're working with a team, so you get the team experience. At the same time, you're dealing with everyone else's opinion. So it's cool to see what other people think. You get different views. You get an artist's view. You get a construction guy's view. So it's pretty cool. You get to work with different people. And then in the end, you get to decide, where you want to do with it. And it's your own masterpiece, whatever you create. In my perspective, I thought it was great. I thought everything I wanted had happened. I thought I was coming here to just learn how to do the product, but y'all also taught how to do the business side of it, and I was going to create a business anyways, so it was good to hear that aspect of it.
That's amazing. I love it, and then because I watch a lot of YouTube from you guys, and I wonder how to do that, how to create the pattern, whatever you want. And then when I came here, and then I learned a lot. I love it. Countertop epoxy, and floor epoxy, and wall epoxy.
Here I could play and make it a mess and correct it, and I mean that's what he was encouraging you to do, so you know that you can easily manipulate these pieces.
I thought the class was great. Really enjoyed it. Getting hands-on with the product was very beneficial rather than just trying to fight with it from watching videos online. I found out it was pretty easy to learn how to do, but there's a lot of nuance in making it look really, really good. But it's much easier than you think.
I learned so much in this class, and I really, really like doing that dirty pour. I have some setups where I can maybe be doing some dirty pours for some bars and restaurants. I really wanted to learn how to do that.